Hey everyone, welcome back to Bad at Life. Today's flight that I'm showing you was from Sunday on the 9th. I left around 6:50 in the morning. I took off from right by my house. I flew out to North Captiva Island. What you're seeing here that's where I'm starting at right now. And I fly all the way down to Captiva Island and then all the way up to Sanibel Island. Along the way, I see a few people. And just the scenery there on that beach it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. I love going out there. I love seeing it. It's just amazing. It's just, words don't explain it. You just have to see it in person. This video doesn't do it justice. So, as I'm flying down the beach, I see there is turtle nest up and down the beach. They got stakes and caution tape, and there's some people out there with side-by-sides checking on the nest and just caring for them. So as we're flying along here on the beach, you look down to the left, you'll see some caution tape around some spots on the beach, and those are tortoise nests. Pretty amazing. So there's loggerhead turtles and green sea turtles that lay nest on this beach. Just last year alone, in 2023, there was 1,177 loggerhead tortoise or turtles, excuse me, and 24 green sea turtles. That's pretty amazing. There's that many turtle nests on the beach, and it was estimated to be around 27,368 eggs successfully emerged. That's a pretty amazing feat. So it's just, this is a beautiful flight that I'm taking here. I'm kind of checking everything out, looking at everything. You know, we were really devastated by a hurricane in September 28th of 2022. And I don't live but maybe a half mile from Matlacha. And we stayed home, my wife and my kids, we stayed home for the hurricane. And I mean, it hit us hard. It was insane. And we were without power for 4 weeks. But at Captiva and Sanibel, Pine Island, Cape Coral, where I live at, we got hit really bad. Fort Myers Beach got it really bad. And for being since 2022 when this happened in September till now, you can see they got everything pretty cleaned up, pretty good. It looks pretty nice. You can see the trees. Look at the palm trees, all the trees. You can tell like they're still beat from that hurricane. I mean, it was pretty bad. And there's a lot of driftwood on this beach here. It's bleached like white wood you'll see coming up here on your left. And it just looks so beautiful. The way the light was hitting it when I was flying down the beach. It was amazing. And I was telling my wife about it. I was like, man, I'd like to take a boat out there and get some of that wood. So we had 72 deaths in Lee County from that hurricane. It was sad, just the destruction and what took place afterwards. It's kind of like bad timing. My wife ended up in the hospital the next day after the hurricane and had to go in for surgery. And it was chaos. I mean, there was people everywhere. There was trees down everywhere. I have videos and pictures of a semi turned over. We had a lot of tree branches and stuff down. All of our neighbors, I mean, most of their roofs were gone. We didn't fare too bad. We had some shingles missing. Like, we were really fortunate that our house didn't get impacted as bad as what everyone else did. We were very lucky, and my neighbor next door too. So I just figured I'd give you a little bit of insight and information, into my life and into this flight too. Because this was such a heavy impacted area, and this is the first time that I've flew out here and really taken a look at everything since the hurricane. And it's kind of sad it's taken me this long to get out here, but the road had got washed away, and so a lot of people couldn't get out there. Like, the only way you could get out to Sanibel Island was by, airplane, helicopter, or boat. There was no way to get there because the bridge washed away, which northern Captiva Island. There's a little runway there, and I didn't really get it on the beginning scenery of this, or the beginning scene of this video. I should have filmed that. But it's a nice little runway, and the only way you can get to that island is by boat or by plane. And whenever the hurricane happened, I remember looking over our house because, like I said, we're only a half mile away from Matlacha. They had the Chinooks, the military Chinooks, flying over our house, going out there doing searches and rescues, and there was a lot going on. And I was kind of thinking about this as I was flying along. I mean, I was looking at the turtle nest, and I was just thinking of beauty, and imagining the turtles coming up there laying the eggs. And I wish I could be able to see the babies when they hatch. I mean, that would be a sight to see it in person. And then as I'm flying down, I'm seeing remnants of the hurricane when it hit, and I'm seeing still a little bit of debris here and there. And it just hit me, man. It hit me hard, and it made me, I was getting kind of sad about it, like, wow, I wonder what it was, like, and just pure chaos out here whenever the hurricane had passed by, and everybody search and rescue, and it just kind of hit me, and it's like you can't take things for granted in life, I enjoy flying, and I enjoy getting to see these sceneries, and I wish everyone out here could experience life like this, just be able to take off and fly, and enjoy the nature like this, I guess you could say. I don't know. It's really opened my eyes when I got into paramotoring. It's just so amazing to be able to take off and fly whenever you want. Well, when the weather lets you. I just really enjoy it, and I hope that everybody else sees this. I hope this inspires you to want to get into the sport. It's the cheapest way to get into aviation. I mean, you're looking around with training and all your equipment. You're looking at around $13,000 to $15,000. That's to get all your equipment, to get you into training, and you're in the air, you're in the sky, and you have the freedom, just like I do right here, to just fly around and see stuff and put smiles on people's faces, and put a smile on your face as well. I love seeing kids on the beach or wherever I fly, being that matter. I love seeing kids and seeing how excited they get, and I just wave to them, and when I see them, I circle around them and wave to them, and they just get happy and excited, and I just love seeing the joy on people's faces when they see me flying down the beach right here like this. It's pretty funny. Well, it's funny to watch myself flying here because, I don't know, it's just different, and I'm not used to seeing that. But this is the new camera angle. This is my 360 camera. Insta360. I have it out in front of me. And today my chase cam just came in the mail. So I'll have a chase cam behind me, flying behind me. And so you'll get to see the sight from behind looking forward. It's going to be a pretty great shot. So be looking for that in the next videos coming up. I mean, I still have a lot more videos to edit that I've made. I have so much footage that I just haven't edited yet, and I've been waiting to build this channel, first to start editing everything, and then also getting around the learning curve. Like I said before, this is a family venture. This is not just me doing this. This is my kids, my wife, all of us doing this together, working on this together, making this happen. I'm just happy I could bring everybody content, and I really hope you enjoy it. Trying to open up a little bit to everybody and just show you a piece of my life and what I love doing. This is just one of the many things that I'm into. We're into RC cars, mini bikes, go-karts, canoeing, kayaking, race cars. Me and my dad built a few race cars together, and I'll have to take you guys on a journey to my dad's house and show you the amazing vehicles we have there. We built an awesome Harley together, and 2 race cars, and twin turbo Corvette, and a nitrous Camaro. We have some pretty awesome cars up there, and I think you guys will get a kick out of my dad. He's an old school guy, old school biker guy. A lot of people know him down here, and a very interesting person. He's pretty funny. I think everybody will get a kick out of him. And that's it, man. I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful scenery that I got to enjoy Sunday morning. And I hope you all enjoy it. And I hope you subscribe. And I hope you stay tuning in. And just thank you for watching. And thank you for liking and supporting this video. I really appreciate it. And I hope you all have a great day. And just like I said in the last video, if you're going through tough times and dealing with things in life, I know things get hard. I hope you stay positive, man, and just keep your head up, and things will get better. You just gotta push. Don't give up on yourself. Stay bad.